This will keep you broke. I want to share a story with you. And it's about an ambitious entrepreneur, just like yourself, who strived for more in life. True story, by the way. So in 2019, this guy set forth on his business career. And in the business career of his choosing, he came across some material to help him in a certain business adventure that he decided to embark on. He paid attention to everything in that training course, and he modeled or tried to model everything in that training course. He went out to do the business. Now, yes, even though he went and made some money in the business, there was this resistance. There was this resistance that he kept feeling over and over again, not understanding why this feels so heavy. Why that when I do this business, or when I have chosen this vehicle that I thought is a good way to help me become financially free, I feel so heavy. 5 years later, he came to realize that through just going deep into personal development and learning and understanding the mind and how it works, and how you have to grow yourself if you want to grow your business, and how you see yourself is a very critical or important piece of how you perform in your business world. He came across something. He came across an interesting lesson, concept, idea that completely changed his entire life. And this is it. He learned 5 years later that you have to first know your personality and then match yourself to a career, a vehicle that aligns with that personality. The boy looked at this, he said, wait, what the heck is this? Why haven't I heard this before? Why have I not heard this before? I've been doing personal development for 5 years now. So then he started to look back at his previous businesses, and he realized, and when he did the personality test, which I encourage you to do a personality test. He did the personality test, and he found out that his current base primary personality traits, you can always evolve your personality, however, his foundation was the direct opposite of the business that he chose. And now he got, light bulb went off. He said, aha, no wonder I've been feeling heavy. This doesn't align with who I am at a basic foundation, at the basic premise. So he changed, and obviously through certain trials and tribulations and going through challenges, and this business, failing in this business, succeeding in that business, and failing in that one, and starting a new one, and just keeping on going and going and going. He finally decided to choose a business vehicle that aligned with his foundational personality traits. And his life changed. Faster and easier than ever before. Why am I sharing this story with you? When you're choosing a business model right now, especially at the beginning, you want to first do an inventory check. Now, you can do what you want to do. You know your situation better than I do. So whatever you fall yourself off or feel guided to do, that is totally fine too. I support you. However, I would consider that you do an inventory check of who you are, your personality traits. You can look at the Myers-Briggs personality test for free, MYERS, Briggs, BRIGGS, and start doing the free test to figure out where your polarities lie at a foundational level. And then that's the first step. Then the second step, you want to do this exercise, which I shared in a previous video, and I'll probably post a video up here if I find it, is write down everything you like doing on one page, write down everything you're good at doing on another page, and keep writing this on a brand new page over and over again for 7 days. What's going to happen is that you're going to start to find the sweet spot of where you feel that time does not exist. Because think of it this way. Have you done an activity where you realize that, man, time flew by so fast, I didn't even feel time go by? Time went by so fast. Wow, it's already 10 p.m. Oh, I didn't realize it. In those certain activities are where you are expressing your natural self. Now, when you do the personality test and you do this exercise of what you love doing and what you like doing and what you enjoy, no, what you're good at doing, sorry. So what you love doing and what you're good at doing. You do that love doing and good at doing writing on a brand new page, not looking at the previous page. You do a brand new sheet every single day for 7 days. I did it for 30 days. So if you want to do it for 30 days, you can do it. However, I'm just giving you 7 days, so at least you can create a win by completing a project. 7 days is short. You'll start to see between the words, you'll start to see between the lines where your sweet spot, where your zone of genius, where your zone of enjoyment is. Then you can go and take what you love doing, what you're good at doing, all the things that showed up every day. Because remember, you're not looking at the previous page. All the things that showed up every day, you take all of that, and then you look at your personality, the test, the results, and now you start to think about, okay, what job roles allow me to do these things? What job roles allow me to express this personality trait, which is 4 letters, these things, and then also what I love doing, what I'm good at doing. And when you do that, you can start to pick out jobs or businesses that align with those things. And when you do that, your business won't feel like work anymore. It won't feel heavy anymore because you're just expressing your natural self. This has changed my life. This has changed the game for me. And this has helped me tremendously by learning this thing. So I hope that it can help you too. But the only way that you can know if it can help you too is by doing it yourself. So comment your takeaway below. We do pick a winner from the takeaway section to give them a cash prize giveaway. You'll get notified on the next video if you won or not. So stay tuned to the next video. Also, if you commented on the last video, go back to watch. Oh no, if you commented on the last video, we're about to announce the winner now. Congratulations to the winner from the last giveaway. If you want to stand a chance to win the next giveaway, comment your takeaway below. And your takeaway can just be something, an aha moment or something that you took away from this video. The only way we get a lesson from something is by writing down what we took out of it. Food for thought. So if you watch this video and you realize that, oh wow, I didn't realize that, write that down in the comments, because that cements the lesson into your mind, and now it becomes a part of you, and now you can actually use and apply it in your field, in your work, in your marketplace. If you have a friend that is struggling right now in business, I would encourage you to share this video with them. You are blessing them, and also you are blessing yourself by giving. I appreciate you so much for staying tuned. I appreciate you so much for being consistent in following our videos and for dialing into what we're doing here. What we do at More Life for All is to help the average aspiring entrepreneur and help them become a stronger, more powerful, and able entrepreneur by sharing lessons that I have learned and that we have learned, so that you don't make those same mistakes, so that you don't waste the time that it takes to go through finding those lessons and learning those lessons. We're giving that to you on a silver platter so you can get results faster. Now at More Life for All, we are a movement to do exactly that: empower entrepreneurs and eventually all people on planet Earth. So if you're someone that is looking for a sales position and wants to learn and develop and master the skill of sales, or at least get better at the skill of sales, comment us, reach out to us, message us. We'll help you with that. And I look forward to seeing you soon.